Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we are going to cover text alignment for cards. Within Bootstrap there are a couple of classes that you can utilize to align your text so you don't have to add any of the CSS, and they work really well. So at the moment we've got everything aligned to the left. So let's go here. This is our card, the entire card right here, and I want to align everything to the center. So central line. To do that, all you do is text dash center, save it. Let's go back to your web browser, refresh, and there you go. It's that simple. Now it's aligned to the center. If you want to align it to the right, you simply go text dash right, save, refresh your browser, and now it's aligned to the right. You might be wondering, why isn't this text? That's because that's part of the image itself and not text that's on top of it. And maybe you just want to align this right here, basically the block but not the list group that I've got in the card. To do that, it's simple as well. Just put the text dash right wherever you want it to be aligned. I put it on the card so everything inside the card had that alignment, but if you only want it on one of the parts of the card, you just put it there, and there you go, it's all sorted. And maybe for the list group I want a different type of alignment, so I'm going to put text dash center, save, refresh, and now that's aligned in the center. If you haven't already guessed, to align it to the left, all you have to do is omit the text alignment class, because by default it's already on the left. That's it for text alignment in cards. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There'll be a link in the description to that, plus there'll be another link in the description to all the source code from this video, plus all the source code from all the videos in this series. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it does really help keep the content free, and it helps us give you more content faster and faster on a regular basis. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.